Hey guys, it's Zach with Two Way Direct, and today I'm going to go over our very own XTR550, and then I'm going to show you how to put it all together. So you got the radio body, the battery, the antenna, belt clip, the connector cover, carry strap, power adapter, and then the charger. So you're going to grab the radio and the battery, slide the battery in all the way up until it clicks. You're going to grab the antenna, turn it clockwise until it's fully secure. Belt clip would be attached with the two included screws. The audio connector cover would be attached with the included screw as well. Carry strap would go right through that hole just like that. And you would grab the power adapter, plug that in at the back of the charger, and the radio is good to go. To get this radio and compatible accessories, visit our site at twowaydirect.com or give us a call at 888-742-5893.